son? Do you want to put your food in
This
your backpack?
Coca-Cola.
Do you want to put your food in here?
And this.
Yeah. Or no?
And if you like to see the murals, you gotta see them all. Now, here's the first mural. It's actually created by Nick Roth. Okay. Second mural.
This one. You want to look at that blue?
Yes.
Park across the street.
Third mural. I wonder how many murals can. Here. Ah ha 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 ha. Why do you call me Sweet Pea?
Because I love you.
Oh. And don't forget the fourth mural. Fourth mural. I think everything is wonderful. This one. Yummy. Hey. You gotta take a view of the mural. Wonderful. A honey beverage and honey butter French fries. And it looks like Basic Bird's co-owners. Yes, and the dumplings and this one. And don't forget, you can see the name tag.
Out of the way.
And the sign. Thanks for sharing Basic Bird's vibe, and see you next time.